In this video, Aubrey and Emily and I are going to be talking about some basic cooking tips to keep in mind to make some of those delicious meals that you inspire to make. Emily, any thoughts on just anything simple, a cooking tip, a cooking idea that could be a benefit to those that are watching this video?
Get an air fryer.
Oh my gosh, those are
Now
so
talk
nice.
about an air fryer. What do you mean by that? And how has that changed the way that you've approached cooking?
Well, I don't know, by some magic it fries things with air instead of oil, so it makes things a lot healthier because you're not drowning things in tons of oil. My air fryer can also like bake or roast or make a rotisserie chicken. I don't know. It's just versatile and I use it a lot.
Great.
I think on a similar vein, buying a pressure cooker, because it's so easy to cook things in a pressure cooker. You just throw it in and let it do its thing. Like
Okay.
I like to make bolognese sauce, and normally that's an all-day activity, but I can make it in like an hour by putting it in the pressure cooker.
And what does that contain, that type of sauce?
Bolognese sauce, like it's meat based, like meat and like it's like beef and pork and tomatoes and onions, celery, carrots, wine, just a few things like that.
Okay. And
And then
Emily,
you
you
press
mentioned about using that,
air
The air
fryer.
fryer?
yeah, the air fryer, the air fryer. Does it cut down on the amount of time that you cook?
The way I use it when I air fry like chicken thighs and stuff, instead of putting them
Mm,
in the
mhm.
oven, I can get chicken thighs out in 15 minutes.
All right. Well, thank you very much for sharing your thoughts on cooking tips.